Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about iterator functions in Power BI. So essentially Power BI has, for example, some function, but then it will have an iterator like SUMX. For average it will have AVG and then the iterator would be AVGX. So to understand iterator functions, you have to understand how Power BI stores data behind the scene. So it's a columnar stored database. So for example, sales amount here would be stored as one column, calendar year would be stored as one column, product would be stored as one column. And when, let's say you want to find the sum of sales amount, it will just sum up that particular column. Now you might be interested in doing some calculations where you have to have a specific column context. So let's say you want to find for bikes for 2000 what is the sales amount, or for components for 2000 what is the sales amount. So now in this specific, or you want to build some calculation on top of this at a table level, so you need to you can use iterator functions for that. So what iterator functions will do is that it will make or force Power BI to iterate through each. So it'll create a table behind the scenes and then iterate through each of the rows in the table and then calculate. So it does have its own advantages where you can do some calculations which just do not calculate right if you're using if you're not using iterator functions, and we'll go into that in the subsequent videos in the playlist. But I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.